What's good, crypto friends, Luna friends? If you're new to the channel, subscribe. I'm doing a $200 giveaway of my favorite project known as Lucky Block, and all you got to do is subscribe to get involved. Just a way to say thank you so much and a way for you to potentially make some money in the crypto bear market. So Bitcoin is just hovering below 23k. Ethereum is just floating above $1,600 at the moment. You can see they're still performing very well on the month, and Luna Classic is, unfortunately, it's added another zero. We keep adding zeros, removing zeros for Luna Classic. It's getting quite boring at the moment, kind of up and down like a yo-yo. You can see the market cap sits at 654 million, ranked 213 amongst other cryptos. So let's take a little look at Bitcoin and also Luna Classic in terms of what can happen with the price, as well as a bit of news as well. So Bitcoin for me right now, it doesn't look super bullish. We are getting a nice bounce off the 20-day moving average here, but I'm still speculating, dubiously of course, that we're going to get a bit of a bounce, maybe off the neckline of this potential double top formation. Bearish reversal pattern. As you see, we're getting a swing high to resistance, swing high to the neckline, got a swing high to this resistance, and we might form down to 21k and even actually like retest the support, lose the support, come down to like 20.6 and see continuation down to lower price levels. Of course, that's a bearish scenario. It might not happen. The bullish situation here would be bouncing up to $25k, but of course it's hard to see this happening right now because there's just so much geopolitical mess and macroeconomical factors suppressing a bull market right now. My opinion, we had this bear flag here before where we lost from 29k, we came down to 17.6k, so we could easily see this as a huge dead cat bounce, this $25k bounce, and actually lose the support and see continuation down, because until we actually start putting through some higher highs, it's difficult to feel super bullish on Bitcoin right now. As for Luna Classic, well, Luna Classic is also just teasing us, to be honest. I'm just going to close that chart. We can see that Luna Classic has now been trading sideways for a whole 35 days. I say trading sideways, really it's been trading within this range between 0.000085 and 0.000118, where we have mad resistance. So we've got major resistance here, major support down here. The last time we had a sideways consolidation, we saw a massive breakout following. We literally went up 184%. So we're sort of speculating again that we're going to get another kind of breakout to the upside after this long phase of accumulation. Now, another thing to consider is this 0.0001 level. The orange line is a key sort of price and area where we keep going in and out of, almost like a medium price. All these green bubbles simulate or reflect the touchdowns that we're seeing here. So hopefully we can start to see a pump here for Luna as we do print candles in this symmetrical triangle, which we're hopefully going to get a breakout to the upside of. It's hard to say right now, but if we do, we'll end up removing a zero, and unfortunately if we lose support, then we may come down to these lower price levels, as we can see right here. Now, what I'd like to see Luna do is if we can get the breakout and come up to this red resistance line at 0.000118, the pragmatic targets we're looking for is as follows. We've got 0.00012, we've got the 128 and the 133 levels, which is our golden pocket Fibonacci extension target, and that would be really good to see a breakout here. I think what we need to see is just more Luna get burnt, get the 1.2% tax implementation and more exchanges, more dApps and so forth, and just grow the community, as it's going to be a long-term thing, right? I mean, we could certainly see a $1-2-3 billion market cap one day, but we are still in a bear market, and I think we need to see Luna come back down and retest this support level to see if we can get another big bounce to the upside. But the more times you do retest support, unfortunately, the more likely you are to break it. Here was, of course, proposal 4159, which passed with a 65% yes, which is, of course, really bullish for the entire ecosystem. So quite happy to see that one here for Luna Classic. And at the moment, the social engagements are still looking really nice. Lots of hype around this project, loads of people engaging and talking about it, which is also really, quite a good thing. We want the community to grow together and get through this together. So what's going on at the moment? Fear and greed index at 30, coming out the extreme fear phase, which is of course very important if we want to see the continuation of the prices going up. Extreme fear always does usually present good opportunity, which we just found out recently, and that's why I always advise that. It says here, extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried. That could be a buying opportunity. Usually with crypto, it can be. Bitcoin rainbow chart, love this juicy chart, of course. As time goes on, we can't say whether it's going to always repeat itself, but we are in that dark blue zone. So if you do want to grab some crypto today, not financial advice, but dollar cost averaging is what I'm doing into some of my favorite projects at the moment. So yeah, that's about a wrap really. Luna Classic, hopefully we're going to get the recovery price. You know, it'd be nice to remove this zero once again, and it would be nice to see a $1 billion market capital for this project. If only it was that easy, hey. Anyways guys, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like. Let me know what you want to see in upcoming videos. Join the Discord, join the Telegram. Check out all the links below. There's a $3,000 giveaway as well, just for doing very simple social tasks. And yeah, just make sure you stay up to date. Come message me in the Discord about anything you want. If you do see someone messaging you in the comment section of the video, it 100% is not me. I will never message you, because I will not do that. I will not ask you for your details. I will not ask you for money. It's always an impersonator. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, and I shall see you soon. Enjoy the rest of your day. Stay crypto safe. Bye.